Hell no. I got this room, y'all. I'm up here trying to go to sleep. And I'm like, okay, I'm not going to close my curtain because the view is too pretty. And if you look in the mirror, you can see that. Now, I turn everything off, trying to go to sleep and listen. You can hear people snoring through the wall. I'm up here trying to sleep. Perfect view. I'm loving this. And I can't sleep because this motherfucker, they not in the same room. This person is in another room snoring through the walls. Like